Let's show off a little bit as these beast machines are cooking up something. What is that, sweet? No, actually rich. It's none other than your favorite Bounty bar, filling the immense richness of coconut with sweetened condensed milk and other secret ingredients. Sometimes this bar is something all we want. The set of conveyor belts flattening and portioning machines get the coconut sheet into separate long bars so they won't stick to each other. See those little tools helping a lot to keep everything under their control. I accept it has become some kind of my signature word so far, but look at this well-blended smooth melted chocolate. Then Madame has kept her eagle eyes on every single coconut bar before they dive into the streams of that fabulous chocolate coating. Dude, I bet you are not the biggest fan of chocolate than me. Or else, tell us the most crazy moment you have experienced about chocolate. To know mine, I'm desperately waiting for your comments. See, our Bounty chocolate bars have already taken their complete chocolate bath. After coating, the chocolates are allowed to cool, and set in a controlled cooling environment. This helps to solidify the chocolate coating, and ensure that it sticks firmly to the filling. Once fully cooled and set, the chocolate pieces are inspected for quality and consistency. Any imperfect pieces will be discarded to maintain the high standards of the final product. The chocolate-covered coconut filling pieces are carefully transferred to the packaging area, where the machines wrap each bar separately under strict hygiene and quality measures. There's something inherently soothing about baked goods. Either it's some pastry, patties, rolls, or some savory puffs, those baked items have a way of nourishing maybe the body but mostly the soul, offering a moment of solace and joy wherever you are. To begin the process of making salted duck egg yolks in factories, the first step is to select fresh duck eggs. These eggs are carefully inspected to ensure they are of high quality so they can keep them for brining. This brining period is usually around 7 to 10 days to keep them stored until the yolks are fully ready. As they process further, let me tell you that during that time, the salt in the brine penetrates through the eggshell, helping to preserve the eggs as well as making the yolk salty, harder, and ready to eat, while the egg white is collected for various other usages or selling purposes. Now comes the part for quality packaging to keep them safe, fresh, and tasty for quick distribution, and they chose vacuum sealing so the salted egg yolks remain protected. If you were curious, these were their distribution centers making your very mooncakes. You do realize when frozen pizzas are around, there's no need for lengthy meal preparation. Simply preheat the oven, unwrap the pizza, and pop it in for the specified time. That's why factories like theirs make delicious frozen pizzas in bulk to help you to get your parties done in no time. Don't worry, frozen pizzas are readily available in almost all grocery stores, making them easily accessible for consumers at any time. And they prioritize quality ingredients including fresh sauce, premium cheeses, and other ingredients, ensuring a delicious dining experience. They have a long shelf life, allowing consumers to stock up and have a convenient meal option on hand for busy days or unexpected moments. Guests, I bet not all of us are familiar with these yummy crispier snacks. Cannoli shells are crispy tube-shaped pastries that form the base of the beloved Italian dessert cannoli. You see, they are putting a lot of effort, so when properly prepared, cannoli shells are golden brown and have a satisfying crunch with every bite. Just sit back a little more, it's all coming. I almost forgot to tell you that despite their crispy exterior, cannoli shells maintain a light and airy quality. The dough used to make cannoli shells is typically thin, allowing it to crisp up evenly during frying while remaining delicate and light. This lightness enhances the overall enjoyment of cannoli, making them a delightful treat that is not overly heavy or dense. And to clear up your mind, yes, these cannoli can be filled with whatever delight you want, because cannoli shells are sure to delight taste buds and evoke a sense of joy with every bite. Hence, they chose the airy and rich chocolate spray. The apple industry plays an important role in the economies of European countries involved in cultivation and export, because there are many countries who are prominent producers of apples, which are the most selling and consumed fruit, and they sure give a bunch of health benefits. Among them, Poland, Italy, and France are leading contributors to the region's apple production. These countries benefit from favorable climates and efficient agricultural practices. But if we look back to the past year, China was at the top of the list because it produced millions of metric tons of apples. Want to make our day? Simply share this video and help us reach 1 million audience as we are only 834 behind. Come on, that's not hard for you. Simply subscribe to our channel and hit that glowing like button. The foundation of a delicious burger patty is high-quality meat, and ground beef is the most popular choice, particularly cuts like chuck sirloin and brisket, which provide a good balance of flavor and fat. This one is a popular Korean dessert that combines sweet watermelon with finely shaved ice. This refreshing treat is enjoyed particularly during the hot summer months. It contains shaved ice blended with several tropical fruits and remains to chill out until you get your hands on it. Industrial cheese spreading machines are designed for high efficiency and precision in food production, especially for evenly spreading cheese on pizzas. Experience the difference with our food industry machines. Watch our video to see how easy it is to boost your production and elevate your business and create top-quality products effortlessly. Click now to watch and revolutionize your food production process. This man had the easiest job. He needed to spread all those cocoa beans equally on this elevator, so they could reach the separators where the machines would remove the outer shells, and the inner nibs would be collected in this process of deeding. Here, the grinding begins with the satisfaction of crushing every bit of cocoa bean into powdered form until it is so smooth to be sent for making silky and delicate chocolate. As soon as the melted chocolate is ready, it will be poured through the sieves to make it more creamy, silky, and yum. These machines are made to do their work accurately. This is the most satisfying thing I've ever seen. It'll now drip to the bean molds to create those chocolate circular beans for Smarties. So much chocolate and in a neat and equal round shape. Okay, I must not exaggerate, that's what molds are created for. Still, this is too sweet to handle. This chocolate bean sheet is then cooled down mechanically to seal that yummy chocolate flavor inside the beans. One after another, the sheets are passed from drum rollers to the other belts to separate those beans from one another. As these chocolate beans are transferred through the convenient belts with separate portions, anyone can tell they're going to some better place. Well, I didn't say heaven. Instead, they'll be processed until they'll make them a nice replacement for your heavenly cravings. Beans are carefully gathered in this rolling drum to remove the excessive chocolate drips from the beans and to give them the proper shape like any finishing touches. So here we can see another way of preparing bit-sized chocolate beans. Those little holes drop a bit-sized chocolate in a neat shape, which is then cooled down and collected with super ease. Looking at these beautiful pods, they are color-specific coating chambers for chocolate beans. Meaning if one likes to collect brown beans from their Smarties pack, one must know that belong to this brown house. Here, the candy shell is created by combining sugar, coloring agents, and that crowing flavorings of orange, grape, strawberry, cherry, lemon, and pineapple. The sugar serves as the main component, providing sweetness while coloring agents give vibrant colors to the candy shells. That's a wrap for today, but our flavorful journey isn't over yet. If you want to watch more videos like these, you can